Working below the glove box, remove the two T20 torque lower trim panel fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. Detach the lower corner of the lower trim piece, green arrow, by pulling towards the front of the car until the lug disengages. Pull the lower trim panel down from the dashboard far enough to access the footwell light electrical connector. Disconnect the footwell light electrical connector by pulling it straight out of the light, green arrow. Then remove the trim panel from the vehicle, being sure to store it in a safe place. Remove the air duct from the heater box by pulling straight down and off to detach the clip, green arrow. Working at the blower motor, disconnect the electrical connector by squeezing the release tabs as indicated by the green arrows and pulling the connector off the resistor. Working at the back of the blower motor, above the large wiring harness, gently pull the blower motor position lock, green arrow, down to release the blower motor and hold it while rotating the blower motor in a clockwise direction. This photo shows the locking tab you have to release before rotating the blower motor, green arrow. Rotate the blower motor clockwise and remove the blower motor from the heater box. If you are swapping the blower motor resistor over to the new blower motor, disconnect the electrical connector, then remove the two T20 torque fasteners from the resistor. Remove and transfer over to the new part. See the steps coming up in this video for blower motor resistor replacing. Install the blower motor in the reverse order of removal. Be sure the blower motor locking tab engages properly and all wires are routed as they were before. Install the interior trim panels and confirm blower motor operation. Blower motor resistor replacing. Working at the blower motor resistor, disconnect the electrical connectors by squeezing the release tabs and pulling the connectors off, as indicated by the green arrows. Remove the two blower motor resistor T20 torque head screws, green arrows. Remove the blower motor resistor from the blower motor. Install the blower motor resistor in reverse order of removing it. Be sure the electrical connectors are properly engaged. Listen for an audible click. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.